Oh shit. The camera's not on. Fuck. Hey there, YouTube fan, we're coming, we're coming. Why is the camera not on? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Where are we? Alright. Are we on? We're on. Look at that. There we go. Alright, what's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. We just had some technical difficulties there, but we're back. We're back in business. Hope you guys can hear me and see me all loud and clear. You guys let me know. Hey Aaron, other live streams / Zooms for your community generally record? No, I don't record the Zooms, man, just because they're 2 hours and it goes on for quite a long time. But, you know, if we do take a trade in the streams, then I always upload them as a recap so people can learn from the trades that we do take on stream. But no, sorry, man, because, well, these YouTube streams are just automatically uploaded, but for Zooms, the likelihood of anyone actually going through and sitting and watching 2 hours of a live stream every single day is just unlikely. But like I say, if any trades do get taken, win, loss, whatever, I will always record a recap of them trades, so at least you have an understanding of what happened and why we took the trade, etc. Yes, all good. Cool. Thank you, guys. Code you use on TradeAvate. So use GCZ3 band. GC is gold, Z is the December contract, which is what we're currently in. Let me just get Zoom all set up here as well. But yeah, the YouTube streams, like I say, they're always automatically uploaded. But yeah, if you want, I just recorded a trade breakdown today. I try and do, recaps of the trade breakdowns, a few times a week or something. But yeah, happy Thursday, guys. For you guys on YouTube, day 4 of letting YouTube trade for me. So we'll see what today brings. See if you guys want to take some trades today. Let me just post in the Zoom link. London. We took a little break even on stream yesterday. I took a nice little W in Asia today. A very, very quick little scalp. I've not really traded much today. Maybe for 30 minutes or something. But yeah, we can run over that as well. Cool, thank you, man. Morning, bro. Great to see you on a Thursday. Good morning, man. Yeah, it's good to be back, man. Good to be back. Like I say, we don't usually do these streams on a Thursday on London. They're just for the community, but we're doing it on YouTube this week. Because for the entire week, you guys are trading for me. I put up the polls. You guys take the trades for me. I'll post in the trading rules so you guys can see what you have to do to be able to participate and share in what you think will happen on gold. So we're trading this on a Top Step account. YouTube trades for me, and like I say, if you guys give the right calls, then I'm going to be giving away this funded account to one of you guys watching. Or if I can't give away the funded account, then I'll give away 2 months access to Top Step or something like that. You guys go check out Top Step into the top. Yeah. Hey bro, how are you? What's going on, man? I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Gio, what's going on? Alright, let me get Zoom guys in here. We're behind today. Guys, remember, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit 10 likes, we will start sharing the screen. Alright, I think everyone's in. Everyone should be joining. Let me just turn my Wi-Fi off here. Alright, cool. I think we're all here. What's going on Zoom, guys? Let me just make sure my mic's on. Yeah, cool. All right, so GCZ3 or 4? GCZ3, 3 for 2023, man. Oh, look at that, 12 likes. All right, let's start breaking it down. I think everyone zooms here as well. Let me make sure.
Hey man.
Hey man, how's it going?
Good morning.
Yeah, so let's do it. Let's start looking at gold for the day. So gold kept pushing down pretty aggressively yesterday. I didn't really get any of that short play. So we've had a very, very strong run on gold. Look at this. This is a big run on gold from like this resistance. We've just been pretty much non-stop pushing down. Haven't really grabbed any daily highs for quite a while now. I think you're just going to continue pushing, to be honest. The next kind of level on gold is going to be shorting down back into these levels. If we take a look at, let me just quickly see what news we got today actually, before we do anything. Let's have a look here. What day is it today? Thursday. Unemployment claims. Cool. So yeah, you got unemployment claims today for the US dollar. I still think you'll probably see some good movement in London. Asia didn't actually really do that much. Had a quick little scalp, but no real movement. So daily is very, very bearish on gold. You know, we've been bearish since back up in these regions. Respected this resistance and had a very, very big sell-off. And the next level is going to be coming back down into this support here, which, you know, from where we're sitting, from currently now, even shorting into yesterday's lows, is still like another opportunity to get like the 50 ticks to at least come grab these lows, retest these highs. It's like 100 down to here, like almost 200. So these are some pretty big ranges today. You know, depending on how that news goes, you may creep up in London before that news pull back. This is going to be the potential pullback level. But overall today, yeah, we want to look for some sells. So 4 hours obviously bearish. Hourly is in a range. I've still got some intraday levels on from this morning, where I think gold could spike up to grab some liquidity. So let me just bring this over here. So you could see spikes up into these highs and these highs up here. This was the daily flip of Asia, pushed down. Let's mark on yesterday's low, because I think yesterday's low is going to get grabbed today. Maybe not in London, but at some point today, that low is going to get grabbed. Pretty much, to be honest, where we're currently sitting on gold is a nice level to look for some longs. I can kind of see we got a nice little trend line coming on down here now. So if we can get some pullbacks, I'd like to buy up into this high and this high. Anyone who is... Yeah, go on, man. You're good.
We are grabbing.
Yeah. So I think anyone who's going to be, you know, looking at this resistance is going to be trying to take a short here. Stops are going to be above that high. So if we can maybe pull back into these 5-minute lows, I would look for longs up into that liquidity. If we could grab this low and retap these highs, that would be beautiful. I don't know if we'll get it though, because that's going to be a nice 30 pip range actually. So if you can get pullbacks probably back down into here, I would be very keen to take these buys on gold, and the risk is going to be pretty low as well, which is nice. You never really grabbed these lows before this push up here, which is also concerning. So I mean, if you do pull back up, you know, pre-unemployment claims, shorting down into these lows is also going to be nice. So we got pretty nice targets on both sides today on gold, which is good. We took that little break even yesterday on stream. What's up, man? Percy feeling long this morning. Targets for me 1896 to 97. 1896 to 97 is very high. Wait, you're on the future? Oh, sorry, you're on the futures. Yeah. So it's pretty. Yeah, so you got 96 to 97. Yeah, same as me. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, these highs as well, which is what I would love to. I'd love to take. It's kind of already had this little push, but to be honest, I don't really see an entry here yet. If this can pull back, I wanna. Yeah, I'll be like to buying up into this. I feel like no trade week for me now. Just traded Monday, booked 85 ticks, took a break. Yeah, amazing, good man. Thank you, 85 ticks to take a break. Yeah, absolutely. Less is more. Less is more. So yeah, these are I had already drawn these on, but these are going to be the levels to watch for today. Um, if we can get pullbacks from here, like I say, the more you bounce from this region, the more people are going to be jumping in shorts, which is what I'd like to be buying up into. This high here and this high here. Look at that Mara, is terrible. So, boom, boom, and we're going to be watching for liquidity grabs of some previous lows. Ideally, we can look for longs from here. Nice little fake out there. Look at that, break back below, break straight back above. Wicked out 5-minute low there, pushed up. So I'm kind of looking for something similar like this. Wick out the lows, push higher. You know, I'd even consider a retest entry if we can get some nice price action. I think the range is too small to take break of the highs. So if you wait for break of these highs, the range is too small. But if you can look for some entries down here, then it's going to be more worthwhile. Yo, what up, man? Check 6B. Yeah, we'll have a look. I'm just going to see if we're going to get a quick play here on gold. Let me see how the Ali's closed. Sometimes I just have to watch.
It just took me out right now and just went up. See.
Took you out.
Yeah, fuck man.
From where?
Like my entry was at 1894.3. My stop was at the lows. So when this candle closed, like it instantly pushed up in the last second. Took me out and pushed up. See, now it's pushing up.
Oh no, I've just been locked out here. Are we logged in here? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think it's going to push a little bit lower. I think gold's going to go a little bit lower. Actually, no, you just wicked out them 5-minute lows there on Goldie. I still think you're going to see
that's what I
spike
took.
lower.
Break off the high.
Yeah, I want to see this dip a little bit more. Yeah, let's have a look at. Let's wait for gold to actually. Let me make this the 5-minute chart. Let me make this the 15. Let me just do this again. So you got double top here. Main target is going to be up here. So it's just the little 30-minute range right now. Like that. Cool. All right. Yeah. Cool. Let's have a look at. Yeah, I'll have a look at the pound. Let me just make this gold chart a little bit bigger. So if you guys on YouTube on this challenge account that you guys have been trading, you're sitting around basically break even. We didn't take any trades yesterday, so you guys can see if you get a trade today. You had the loss on Monday, the winner on Tuesday, and then no trades yesterday. So we'll see if you guys get something today. What was I going to look at? Pound. Pound. Let's see how we close on the daily. Starting to find some support on pound futures down here. Let's get rid of this. Finding some support. You probably grab the lows one more time, but you may, because you're already finding support, you may come back up and on the pound futures come and re-grab daily highs. 4 hours choppy. Hourly's pretty choppy. So these previous daily highs are going to be up here. Potential little left shoulder, head, right shoulder region, but it's pretty messy. I don't really like the look of pound futures right now, to be honest. Probably so pound futures. Yeah, you got resistance right there, and then you're gonna have support like here. So I'd probably wait for a breakout of this range. It looks very, very choppy to me. I'm personally not a huge fan of it. So gold's pushing down here, which is nice. This is what we want to see.
What up? What up?
How's it going, man?
Good.
What's happening? See gold, he's sort of ripped right into those lows.
Yeah, it's kind of having a little dip off this resistance, which is nice. I'm kind of looking to see if we can get grab some 50-minute lows and look for plays back up into this resistance.
Mm. It would have been nice to take a sell there, but it hasn't quite grabbed the liquidity like I would have liked to have seen. If it had grabbed and closed like that, that might have been a nice opportunity.
Yeah, I agree, man. I
What am I
agree.
doing looking at gold? I gotta switch back to NAS.
No, don't do it. Come on. Don't be silly.
The NAS is having a nice push, but same thing, hasn't really grabbed much liquidity.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Nasdaq. Oh, is it fucking thundering here?
Yeah, there's a huge storm rolling through.
Yeah, some of my governments in Brisbane. I was like, it's fucking blue skies here. Let me just see. Make sure what this was.
Does Sammy hate storms, or does he not mind them?
Nah, he doesn't. He doesn't really mind them, to be honest, man. He hates. He freaks out if it's like fireworks, but yeah, storms he doesn't really care. We got pumped at work, yeah, man. Storms, yeah, crazy, yeah. Thunder and rain in Brizzy, yeah. Well, it's been fucking blue skies here all day. Oh, look at that 5-minute close on Goldie. No bottom wick, which is good. So no bottom wick on the 15 either. So anywhere in this region, I want to be seeing if we can get a bounce on gold. 15 minutes already. Futures is already back down at that level. The reason I want to be looking for longs is because this is a very nice resistance level where you're going to see some liquidity grabs soon. If it did everything, did the currency close no bottom wick on the 15 as well? Yeah, it did, very nice. So you could take some long stops are going to be down here. See, as soon as 5 minutes starts to find some support here. This is a pretty, let me make sure I'm actually logged in here. So this is a nice level where you could see gold bounce. I'm not logged in here, so I'm not going to put it in time. And if it closes below the level, then you can just cut it. You're also grabbing previous 30-minute lows as well. Let me just log in here. Yeah, okay, we're pushing hard. Pushing aggressively. Look at this. So maybe we can even just fucking grab these lows. But there's no bottom wick on this 15 though, so. Alright, let me go 5 contracts today. Yeah, what did Nasdaq do yesterday? Oh, absolutely nothing. That's horrible. Horrible price on Nas yesterday.
Nas was
Yeah, it looks horrible. Where's the Russell? A little bit nicer, still pretty messy. What about the Dow? Dow. Oh yeah, Dow was probably the play yesterday. Lovely push. Lovely push. Before entering on gold, I just want to start. I want to see some rejections, man. 5 minutes closed pretty bearish. I just want to see just some rejections before looking for some longs. I mean, it's not bad. It's a nice level just to take some longs down, see how it plays. But I kind of want to see some rejections just because of how heavy this is pushed. And you did actually grab previous 5 highs. But this is the level here where you could start to see gold bounce. If you take longs from here and see how it reacts, it's not a bad level. I'm also watching this 30 level. I'll be surprised if this wicks all the way up in the next 10 minutes. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. If the 30-minute does like start to show that it's going to close back above here, then as it's rejecting, I'll look for some longs and see if we can follow the momentum back up into the highs. And make this 30 chart a little bit bigger. It's quite small. But we do also have, a lot of liquidity down here as well. So it's kind of got liquidity in both sides. Is maybe a sense of Which low are you going to grab first? Sorry, which liquidity are you going to grab first? So you've just grabbed the 15 lows. Oh yeah, it's pissing down now.
It's so humid. I can tell it's building.
Yeah, man. Alright, 50 seconds here on Goldie. Let's see if we're going to have an instant push down. If you have an instant push down and grab the lows, you may look for some longs. That was a nice catch on that gold short as well today, Marcus.
Yeah, it was a good, just textbook.
Yeah, man.
Just wait. No, I don't know if it's just been this week that it's just been playing out more often than not, or whether it's just been because I've been patient waiting for the setup. But it just seems like the just setups happening time and time again. Same thing.
Nah, I agree. That's why it's been. Gold's been fucking great recently. It's just like comes into levels and just execute it. Like, it's been the past like 2-3 weeks. Yeah, it's just been reacting to levels and just trending so well. It's just execution, man. Like I always say, it's like literally execution. You could draw on as many technicals as you want, but if you don't take the trade, you're gonna miss out. It just purely just comes down to executing.
Yeah.
Like that little Asia trade I took today, it honestly generally took like 2 minutes of technical analysis. It was just shorting into the daily bottoms and just seeing how we react to this resistance. That was it. Just taking a trade and seeing how it reacts. Like pretty much right now, like what we're gonna do here, we're gonna look for some longs in this level and just see how it reacts. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
That's literally it. Just waiting for it to Same thing with that gold one this morning. I was like, I'm just gonna wait till it closes strong.
Mm-hmm. Look, this 15's already bouncing off this level.
Man. Yeah, it's gonna rain.
Is it not raining with you? It's absolutely pouring down here.
It's just started now.
Where are you at, Mark? Where do you live, busy?
I'm in Maroochydore.
Oh, yeah. Coast with pumping with thunder this hour.
Really? Yeah, it's all coming here now.
Just stopped, it was probably hitting you.
It's been well nice today.
It was so hot and sunny this morning, then boom, started pissing down.
Yeah, you sent it up here, man.
Yeah.
You guys can have it.
Here it is.
There he is.
Forest boy.
Yeah, it's generally been stormy here, so.
I'll let the weather
you guys
man.
can have
Hey,
it or
Alan.
take it.
Alan, I
Hey,
played golf
hey,
today,
Mark.
mate, and it was sunny.
Yeah, it looked nice actually.
Oh. I'm not happy for you. It's been, how did you play?
Shit house, but that's alright. I was not participated.
Makes me feel better
Mm.
hearing that.
We can't always scratch handicappers like yourself, mate.
Oh, dear Lord. Only scratch I'm playing is scratching my head at the moment, but
Are you real or what?
you really are.
Look at this push on gold. Oh my days.
How do I'm trying to find the my orders for my trade journal. Oh, there it is. Buy price and sell price. Just need to scroll across your peanut. Boo.
Rain is stopped in Brazil. Looks like it's coming from south. Yeah, you sent it up here, man. You sent it up here.
89.3. 18.
Big drop on gold from yesterday, eh?
Yeah, oh man, Daily's been on a crazy push, non-stop. Which has been absolutely non-stop.
I generally couldn't find an entry in London.
No. Did you trade US?
No.
I don't even think there was an entry in US, to be honest. Just kind of just kept going. He may have even got trapped in some pullback longs there and just kept on going.
Yeah. I know it like popped down and kept on going down, but it was just that would have been a slow grind to that.
Yeah, well, if you look at the daily, it's just so let me do it on the currency charts cleaner. Where are we?
Well, I caught 11 ticks on that.
Go on. Must be nice.
Yeah, it must be nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Right,
So.
it's 10 contracts.
10 countries. No, if you did.
No, it's your mate Aaron.
Since last Wednesday, wicked out all these highs, retapped back into that resistance has just been from these levels just non-stop every single day. Look at this, boom, 700 pips, Jesus.
How's Uncle Sir's swing trade?
Oh man, that was insane. 270 bags. Absolutely insane.
170k.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why that?
I sent it to you on Instagram, I think.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube, sorry.
That's right, man. Does anyone think UBS dollar rating would have any significant effect on the strength of the dollar?
Good, bro. What was that?
Let me see. Alright, gold. The 5 minute is actually just closing pretty bearish. How many ticks do you have down into the lows?
Don't mind talking to myself.
12. Stop loss above this level. 15 also rejecting though.
How do you see that thing you did today where you scale your history back so you can see like orders from previous days and stuff?
So if you are on your performance center, there's a little blue link that says click here to view your performance data for previous sessions.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
I also worked out too, if anyone's using TradeAvate, how to get the countdown to when the bar closes on the TradeAvate platform.
oh, nice. How do you do that?
So if you open, you know where your little tabs are, where the chart is, where you've got your toggle, the settings and thing, you go view settings, bar countdown settings, and you can enable it, and it shows you when the bar's going to close, so you don't have to flip back between trading view.
Very nice. Bar countdown settings. Oh yeah, nice.
And you can enable it.
Oh yeah, very nice.
Because I found I was having to flip back to trading view and like count down. First world
Yeah,
problems.
I like that. Oh, look at this,
Why
15.
don't you just look at the clock at the top?
Because I'm not. I don't know. That's a good point. That's a good point, sir.
Is there, where your contracts and, like, when you get into a position, it shows how many contracts and how much money you got in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there another clock on top of there for you guys?
No. Not for me.
No. I think that's only on the.
You guys?
I think that's only on the demo accounts, man.
Oh, maybe that's right.
I only
Joke.
trade demo, so. You got a funny guy here.
I'll try to get a bite.
He's your mate, Alan. Keep telling you this.
You broke him.
So I've done it by 6 at 1982 and set a sell at 94.6.
Man, this is confusing.
I don't know if you're in like a long trade and that's like a stop loss and TP. But I mean, if you're so if you're shorting at 92, which is here, and you want to have your stop loss at 94.6. So then, if you want to put in your stop loss, if you're shorting and you want to put in a stop loss, then you have to put in a buy order because you want to be buying back the contracts that you're trying to sell. What's up, Aaron? What's going on, Damien? What's going on, man? Looks like we're going to get a pretty strong 30-minute close here. You may look for some shorts turn into these lows, I think. We're going to grab the lower liquidity first here. It's a pretty strong push of this resistance. No liquidity grabs though, so all of these highs are going to be very, very interesting for later on. Look, it's absolutely pissing down.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Yeah. The storm last night, no?
Just 12
Storm
pips
last
right there.
night. It was a lovely move. On the 1 minute at 10 past 7, 11 past 7.
All of these now. Yeah. Let me have a look. Holy shit, right, I need to go close my fucking door. This is crazy. I'm gonna get top wick on this 30 in 2 seconds. Alright, if we can grab some little highs here on gold, you may look for a continuation down into these lows here. How long have you been in Australia now, Aaron? It's coming into flying fire season. About a year now, Jake. Man, about a year, man. Yeah, about a year. Yeah, it's full fucking thunderstorm here now. You may just quickly flip back to lows, but I would rather see longs from like here. Sorry, shorts from here.
I had a nice little trade on the Russell last night for the first time. It moved very clean.
Ooh,
Because
nice.
S&P and NAS weren't.
Yeah. It's clean, isn't it? Nas moved horrible yesterday. I think I had a look before. Yeah, look at that. So where's 230 open? There. Yeah, horrible. I think the Dow probably moved the nicest yesterday. Have a look at the Dow. Nice sell. Lovely push.
I don't like the NAS anymore.
Sorry, man.
I don't like the NAS anymore.
Nah, it's messy, man. It's messy. Sometimes it can be nice, but yeah, overall it's pretty meh. This is a big early top wick.
Now the Russell moves with gold. It's so gold goes up, then the Russell goes up
Yeah.
majority of the times.
There's Russell. Yeah, even Russell was quite choppy yesterday. So it was still
Yeah.
quite choppy, but it's still cleaner than Nas. Like this was still a nice support bounce there.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the difference between trading gold futures rather than a futures broker? Loads of benefits, man. Loads and loads. I made a YouTube video about the reasons why I quit trading forex. Better executions, better fills, less manipulation from brokers, no spreads. No spreads is probably the biggest one. You pay like $5 commission per contract, but it's way better than paying spreads. quite a strong push, but it's not. It's not a bad level to look for some shorts on gold. Let's see this 5 minutes.
I
5
think
minutes
it's
looking
just
aggressive.
active previous fight.
Yeah. I think gold will go up to 81 before going down to 67. 81, quite high.
Nas Daily could have a big push up because yesterday
67.
grabbed lows from like August, and it's the daily's wicking back up.
Yeah, I think gold. Yeah, well, gold to go up to 81 is quite high, but yeah, I mean it depends. You got unemployment claims today, so if you grab these lows first, then yeah, these highs are going to be of interest. If you grab these highs first, then you'll be shorting down into the lows. But overall, daily's very, very bearish, so you just want to be following that for now. Where am I streaming from? I'm streaming from Australia. Yeah, Nas Daily, let's have a look. 5 on gold's not flipping just yet. Probably grab the highs one more time, maybe. I'll show them on the weekly. Oh yeah. What did you say? Sorry, to flip up.
Yeah, I just see that yesterday's low.
Yeah.
Like daily close, grab some lows, and this one's pushing up, which
Yeah.
could have a big drive.
Yeah, I think so as well. Big daily support.
There's also no top wick on Tuesday's candle, so it could drive up and even create a top wick for that.
Yeah, I like that, man. You know, resistance there, broke, support. Nice little bounce there yesterday. Some daily highs to come and grab as well. Good afternoon, bro. Let's get some bread. If PA allows it, yes, absolutely, man. Let's get it. Platform using to execute. This account here is Tradeovate, but the platform I use for personal is NinjaTrader. Whole stop loss is kind of confusing to me. You're trying to buy and sell on a long. Yeah, it's weird to get used to at first, but yeah, it's literally just like if you have a buy in gold, then you have to be at some point selling it back. Whether that's selling it back at stop loss at a worse price or selling it back at take profit for a better price. It's vice versa. If you're in a short, well, they need to be buying back the orders. Same as what a stop loss is. That's all a stop loss is on MT4. Stop loss and take profit. It's just the exact same thing. Except here it's just orders. You can do it if you get execute on TradingView. You could just do it here. So you could create new order here. You could put in like stop loss and TP here if you really wanted to. It'll just put in the orders for you. I personally prefer to do it separately. Well, I don't really ever trade with a hard stop unless there's like in London I'm pretty safe trading without hard stop, but I'll put it in depending on price action. See, gold is finding some resistance here. Not a bad level to short. 15 ticks. Stop loss if you close above. Well, hard stop would be there, but stop be if you close back above. One contract's like one lot on FX. Depends on what instrument you're trading, man. But for gold, yeah, it's the same. But if you trade it on Nasdaq, the price of the tick is different on every instrument. I did a video as well on futures contract sizing. Because if you trade one contract on gold futures and then one contract on Nas, it's going to be two very different results. Wait, do I have that? Oh yeah, I've got that. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Where you have your tab, just move your mouse all the way across. It'll be like H settings, and it's on the view settings thing. Fucking cooking, man. It's proper hot.
Go on, get it off. There it is.
Right.
There's the show.
Jesus.
There's the
Give
show.
the farmers what they want.
I'll move my
It's
camera.
YouTube, mind.
YouTube's
Yeah,
missing
it's
out.
YouTube, not only farm.
Come on, gold. 1 more minute. This fight's gonna close.
I'll
Come
give
on,
50 caps, man.
gold.
If we don't drop from this 15, which is not looking like we're going to, I think you'll spike these highs and then come and short that into these lows. Yeah, unless you drop from here, but I don't think you will.
There's a gap in the Russell as well.
Russell daily bullish, bearish, bullish. Oh, no bottom wick on that weekly. Look at that.
Thing I do like about gold is it's such like small moves, but even with 5 contracts, like 20 ticks is $1,000,
Yeah, which is great, man. Yeah, it's very good.
and like it dropped. Literally, that whole drop was that whole candle was pretty much like 28 ticks.
Yeah, which is huge.
It's like $1,400.
Yeah, huge,
Mm.
man.
1 5-minute candle.
And risk is very small as well.
We
Risk is very small.
gold there.
That's the reason I love gold so much. You can manage risk very well. You don't have to trade big size and futures to trade big personal gold. Even with like 5 contracts, like if you trade 5 contracts, you can't trade at what, like 5-10 ticks. What's that, like -$200 to $500? It's not well.
200, yeah.
Yeah, it's not hard. So we're kind of back into the middle of the range here on gold. I still think this 30 has the potential to flip back bearish, which I'm still looking to short into. There's a lot of liquidity sitting down here. You've just bounced off this support, but the thing is, if this 30 closes bullish with no bottom wick, then the hourly is also going to be leaving a wick. So it's also the only thing I'm wary of here is this hourly. But,
Chuck up the oil 15,
oh, getting on oil.
just as a setup, same thing. On the 15,
I'm drinking GYG
very
coffee.
nicely.
Oh, look at that, oil tapped into $95. That's huge.
Been ripping.
Huge. Yeah, absolutely ripping. Look at this. From down here. Oh my god. Trade of the year. Possibility. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look.
Go on, Alan. Go on, lad.
Go on, boy. Yeah, I like that band,
I like
yeah.
that.
I like that, me.
Like that, mate.
Grab them highs. Yeah. I like that, mate. 2
I
minutes
think
to
there's a little
15
bit
days.
of liquidity there to take out. Looks
Yeah.
nicer on the futures. There's a lovely level. Looks much nicer on the 1 minute.
Mm.
Oh, don't worry about that. Don't worry. Forget I said anything.
Ooh.
Nah, I think you just put it on. Yeah. Yeah, oil's looking quite nice as well. See, look already.
It'd
what's
be a
this?
nice trend line liquidity play there if it was going to buy up into 95 again.
Yeah. I reckon you will as well.
I want to gold and job.
Yeah.
See if gold. Joe's actually been scalping. I've been quite proud of the guy.
Yeah, he's getting into futures. Never thought we'd see the day.
He's
Futures with Joe.
You want to drop from there now.
Joe, yeah, probably.
And there's just no entry.
Look at that, 15, 7 ticks off the level.
Then it goes through a phase, like beginning of the summer, where retailers were just winning everything.
Yeah.
Sure, I remember something like that.
It is, the thing is, it's a nice 15 level, just execute off the level and kind of, it's one of them again, see how it goes. You're already running, what, like almost 10 ticks? There you go, just hit 10 ticks.
Oh, what a drop.
Yeah, look at that, lovely. Just resistance. If it closes above, cut the trade. React to it. Now it's flipping bearish.
It was pretty. You obviously smashed like cutting trades this week with that max loss for the week.
Hmm.
The only thing I've found too this week is usually the first 5 of the 15, like as you know, always pushes up, but sometimes there's been a couple where you'll cut it and then the next one will just rip straight back down.
Yeah, yeah.
I had that exact setup you just said the other day.
Yeah, it's horrible, man.
With tea.
It's pain.
Yeah.
It's been doing it a lot recently on gold. Like this week, it's been closing from like no top and bottom. It's quite a lot. It's pretty crazy.
And like even that NAS trade the other day, that big one, it literally almost took me out. Like I was probably 1 or 2 ticks away from stop loss, and then just one candle engulfed like the whole thing. Come on, gold.
Cool. So we haven't flipped in this 5 minutes, which is nice. So if we now come in and grab the highs, that's the short. If we drop from here, I don't care. The short is going to be from here. As long as you don't grab these lows. Shorts on gold, if we come and re-grab previous 15-minute highs, we're creating a lot of liquidity down here now. A lot of liquidity. I don't want to miss this trade.
That's yeah, it's pretty much 20 pips in there.
Yeah, which is very nice. It's very nice. Anywhere from this region. May take a while, probably manage it after 15 dive. Yeah, it could be a nice play.
Because it hasn't quite cleared that liquidity yet.
No.
Where's the next top on the money
Do
trade?
you guys use position calculators when trading futures? No, I don't use any position size calculators now. It wastes too much time. I already know my risk when I'm going into any trade. I mean, you can use the one. There's one in if you trade on TradingView. But like, you know, if you trade 10 contracts, you get a stop loss hit of 10 ticks. That's $1,000. 5 contracts, 500. So that's kind of what I just base it all off.
You sort of know, and you sort of manage your risk with like set contracts.
Yeah. 100.
And you can like, you know, like NAS for example, it's $5 per tick per contract, so full contract is $20 a tick.
Mm-hmm. What about sells on the 15 low? Sells on the 15 low.
You should. I
Should
won't,
I?
but you can.
How much money do I need to invest to make 1,000 per trade? It's a percentage game, so reverse engineer it. Depends on your consistency and depends your risk appetite.
Focus on the skill set.
Yeah, focus on the skill set. Yeah. We'll focus on gaining consistency in the amount of ticks you're putting out the markets, because then once you do that, then you know it's all scalable. More than Harry What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, I may take the break of the 30 lows on gold instead. Stop 12. You may squeeze out 10. It's not the nicest, but you may squeeze out 10 on the break of these 30 lows on gold. So you can have a sell once it flips bearish. I mean, you can even short it now, shorting into the flip of the candle is not a bad bet. You stop above wherever this level is going to be. See if you can drive down. But I mean, if you're trading on like Top Step or something, for example, you could be pulling out, you know, not $1,000 every day, but $2,000-3,000 a week, pretty comfortably trading 10 contracts, as long as you're able to manage your risk. It's not that difficult, but not not every day. Not every day you're gonna make $1,000. You know, you got to factor in losing days as well. All part of the game, all part of the fun. You know, even if you average, 10 ticks profit on gold a week, just 10 ticks profit, which is absolutely nothing, and that's including losses. You know, take 20 pips, then 10 pips loss, net 10 ticks a week on gold, trading 10 contracts, $1,000 a week. this little short here is 20. So to catch 10 on gold is a very, very small move in comparison to how gold moves. Gold's probably just going to continue pushing from here, I reckon. You could short the 30 low, but the range is a bit too shit for me, to be honest.
Yeah. It's trouble I have, although it might drop. Where am I going to put my stop loss?
Yeah.
Realistically,
There.
the stop loss should be at 1892.2. Realistically.
Yeah. 100%. Yeah. Above 30 highs. You're teasing around
Okay.
these lows now. If this next 5 minute opens and instantly pushes up, I want to short into this support, and that's going to be the trade. As long as it doesn't wick out this double bottom. If we get an instant top wick here, I'm going to look for a sell.
You wouldn't.
Go on.
I'm not going to.
All right. What? 25 contracts. I'll do it.
Well, no, it just use the YouTube live account and it's no loss then.
Let's see if this can open and instantly push up. I'm gonna look for a sell. Oh, I see. You fucking piss me off, God. If I had said I'd be looking for a long, if this instantly goes down, it would have gone up. No.
Hello.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna get short here on gold. Let me see. You can just work out the 5.
Are you going below the 5?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be at like, if it can spike the previous 5 high, I would just knock execute.
Oh, hello. Keep talking, Aaron.
Go on. Yeah, alright. I'm actually going to short... I mean, stop loss is just if you close anywhere above these highs, we're looking to cut it, but...
You twisted my arm, my order's in below this 5.
Yeah, I'm actually going to put mine in on the flip of the body.
Oh,
Because
get
as
that
the-
extra tick.
Yes, that might be a dick for a tick. Maybe.
Dick for a tip. Oh,
There you go, yeah, I'm
he's
in. I'm in, yeah, I'm in. I'm in.
He's in.
Full margin, I'm in shorts on gold.
So,
1,000 contracts.
Let's go.
Stop losses is going to be if this 30 doesn't flip bearish, I'm going to cut it. Or if you close anywhere above these highs, I'm going to cut it. I have no hard stop in right now. Well, I'm putting a hard stop in above like these highs in case we rip it, but I'll be cutting it way before then.
Yeah, alright.
I'm in.
I'll be managing as soon as we spike these lows, and if this 30 doesn't flip bearish in 8 minutes, but I think you're gonna flip pretty nicely here. You're getting a lot of liquidity down here, so as soon as you grab these lows, you got to be managing.
It's a huge level because that's
91.2. Yeah, sorry, Harry. Yeah. You can go 91.2. Yeah, I'm already in, but if you're not in, yeah, put in the same order. 91.2.
No, I'm 1.2.
Yeah, no, yeah, good shit. Yeah.
It didn't really flip before tagging me, but
The reason I will manage if this 30 doesn't flip bearish is because if this doesn't, you're very likely going to come and grab this previous high. So I'd like to see this 30 have this continuation back down and close with a pretty nice candle, something like this. Close with a nice body, close and blow the support, and this is just nothing but a beautiful top wick. So this trade's kind of based off the 30, not really the 5. I don't really give a shit about the 5. Oh my god, $100. Alright, TP hit.
go on that. I've got my order at 1890.3. What are you risking, like 4 ticks or something? Oh, you got a bit higher.
10
You're above those
contracts would
highs,
be
what's that?
10
10
ticks.
ticks.
10 contracts would be 10 pips. 10 contracts would be 10 lots. 10 pips is just pips and ticks. Same thing.
Aaron stop losses up here.
Yeah, my hard one is, yeah.
The weekly highs.
Like I say, Bants.
It'll come down, sir. I promise.
So I don't think we have a Zoom without talking about our boyfriend.
Our friend.
I wasn't talking about him. You're talking about him. Oh, don't do it, gold.
Nah, I gained a lot of liquidity down here. How long you got? It's still got 5 minutes till the 30 closes. So would a pip from 1 pip from 92 to 93. Yeah, that's like 1 tick, man. Yeah. Taking a trade right now, Aaron. Yeah, I'm in this trade, man. I'm in this trade. Stop loss is hard stop isn't here. Hard stop is if you close above. I mean, hard stop there is not. It's not bad. Stop loss is going to be based off the way this 30 closes. Even if this 30 doesn't flip bearish, to grab these lows is still going to be likely. But the only thing is, if this 30 doesn't flip bearish, then you may do something more like this, and I would rather cut it and re-enter up here instead for a better price.
Then these also got no bottom work.
Yeah, which is nice. Let me just make sure you don't have it. That's what I'm kind of shorting into. Look at the volume on this fucking 5. It does on the currency, but small. So pretty much as long as you hold below here, shorts make sense to me. Until you break above, you break back above. That's fine. Just flip it long. This is also going to be the last 5 of the hourly as well, so it's going to be quite important here.
If it does flip though, could run. I'll probably leave it a tiny runner, I reckon, just in case.
Yeah, definitely, man. Because if you look at the daily, if we keep doing what we did yesterday. Wait, what? What was fucking Gideon Inc? Wait, I said, what was that? I said daily.
The 5's also just regrabbed previous highs and it's driving down now, which could be nice.
A little potential evening star there as well.
Come on, gold.
Come on. I'm hovering around, break even. It's just we need some fucking look at the volume in these 5-minute candles. It's insane. I'm not managing off the 5 though. This is just off the 30. The 5's been too shit recently. I didn't manage off the 5 today, so. But as soon as you grab these lows here, then that's when you then have to be break even. And if it doesn't flip in this next 5 minute, then I will look to close it because then you're gonna have to survive the next top wick of the hourly.
Here we go.
So as soon as this 30 starts flipping and creating a bottom wick, I'll be managing.
It should come down to 1890.5 at least.
Yeah, comfortably, man. Yeah, comfortably. You're creating a lot of liquidity right now. I think this is a retail trap. People trying to jump in longs. The more you bounce off that support, the more you'll probably see it drive.
There would have been people in longs to the left there where it's wicked down that have held up. It's come back to entry. Could drive, spike them out, and then that could be the move up even.
Yeah, I think so, man. I do want to see it flip in this 5 because I don't want to sit through the next top wick of the hourly and go and draw down. I would rather cut it and re-enter. So I want to see this 5 close. Well, in order to hold this, you kind of have to see the 5 close soon because you're going to have to kind of get out, but because the next hourly could open and instantly push up and create a top wick, which I don't want to get stuck in. So as soon as this 30 does create a bottom wick, I may have to start managing because if we don't drive from here, this 15 high is potential to be grabbed. Did you have a GYG today, Mark?
Yeah, I got a Cali on the way to the golf course.
Good man, I had one too. Little Cali burrito.
We ended up pairing up with this young dude. I don't know what he did. He had very nice subby, and then we get back to the car park and this blacked out M3 comp, like a brand new one. And I was like,
Nice.
nice.
Yeah. Mommy and Daddy
These are
play the
the
comp.
Forex.
Played a comp 3 weeks. Was it 2 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago? This 21-year-old, his father was like a big business owner. Yeah, he had a driver, custom fit, 650 quid
Oh my god.
just for this driver.
So
And he was playing on
ridiculous.
free. He just hit the ball, the first ball. I just looked at my mate and I was like, I know we've lost this, but it was the worst possible score on a golf course also. Absolutely dicked.
We got 30 seconds here on gold. I don't think it's going to flip bearish in this current. Yeah, I'm going to look to cow soon. This is no, there's no volume in this 5. Look how dead this 5 minute is. 15 seconds. If it 15 opens and you push down, I'll probably cut. I'm basically hovering around break even. My entry's at 91.3. So like minus what 2 ticks right now. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Look at that 5 is closed. Bullish right at the last.
Oh, nice. I only got out for 1 tick in the end.
I'm still in. I'm still in. I'm
Nice.
gonna bring stops down in a second. The 5 closes no top wick.
That's sick.
Let's see. I'm still in here. So hourly has just closed. Yeah, bearish. You may see more of a top wick, and then you still may all of this support. I know is going to get grabbed, so it's just a matter of seeing how we go. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it a little bit longer. Let me see. Let me just bring this up a little bit. The 5 minute closes above this level. I'll probably cut it.
Weird.
You could have, yeah. It actually came, what? It came like 2 ticks away from entry. But the 30 to me is still looking pretty nice.
I ended up getting out at what's showing. It's weird.
I'm only minus like what 14 ticks or something. It's not huge. Like yeah, 12. I want to see how this 5 is going to close. If this 5 closes above here, then that will be my exit point. 15 still respecting this resistance as well. It hasn't grabbed any 15-minute lows.
Good work, Harry.
Got out minus 3 ticks. Yeah, good job, Harry, man. Good job. Good to see you guys cutting it as well. This is that potential liquidity grab.
I'm very confused here.
If it keeps pushing, then I'll cut it. But all of these lows are going to be very nice today. If it pushes up like into here, that will probably be a place where I don't want to hold this, because then you can come way up into here. You looked at pound today, yeah? Yeah, we had a look, man, but I'll look over it again, man. We can have a look.
Was in there. Yeah, we can hear you,
It was chopping before. Let me take a look, man. Let me just see this gold. 2 more minutes. This 5's gonna close.
Would even be a nice entry here if the we get another bullish close after this one, back below.
Yeah, well, if you close, I mean, because the 30 and 15 is still at a very nice level. Unless you close above, you can consist long, but all of this support down here is going to be a very nice level. Sorry, I was looking at pound. Yeah, so pound. I had. So you probably would see. So this is the range I wouldn't want to take pound in. Well, I'm going to bring my stop down in a second just in case this keeps pushing. It's almost eating my Asian profits here. 521, yeah. Let me see. Let me put in my stop here. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm closing that. I'm closing Goldie that. Big push. Big push. I'm not holding that any longer. That was a crazy run. 5-minute close with no top wick as well. Good job to the guys who cut it. I did not. I held it. I'm going to look for... I'll consider re-entries on gold. See how this 5 closes, but I don't want to get trapped in this range. That kind of
What are you against?
took away like half all my little Asia play. So I made like minus 10 ticks on the day. Get out. Yeah, cut it there. I'll wait to see how the 15 closed. 15 gave no top wick there as well. But the reason I held there is because if you look at the hourly on gold, closed back below this level and hasn't grabbed any of this support. So at any point this can still flip bearish. And in order for me to want to re-enter, I want to see how this 5 is going to close. I'm not gonna go long though. I won't trade it. I won't trade in this range until 15 gives potential rejection signs. But yeah, I'm out of that trade. Yeah, pound. If you close above here on pound, I would be careful in this range, man, because it can chop around. It's only like a, what is this, like a 14 tick range. So yeah, be careful in that. And also daily is a big support. It looks pretty choppy for me. This is the liquidity high I was going to watch for. But it's in a bit of a sideways price action. You got unemployment claims later on, so it could chop until then. Same as Goldie. Gold may chop until then. The fact you've bounced off this level, and without even grabbing any of these lows, you didn't grab any of these lows. All of these are going to be lows to grab later on, and I will look to short into that into higher move after. Why I took the short? Just short into that liquidity, man. Just shorting into the liquidity. 15 was bearish. 30 had no bottom wick, so just shorting into that bottom wick here, which I still think you're gonna get. So shorting into coming to grab them lows, yeah. Oh, look at me even push back. Look at this. This is sometimes we have to wait for closures. See, look at this 30. 30 is still a big resistance.
That's what Goldie's been doing though.
I only got filled out of that 5 contracts.
That's right.
Why did I?
Sometimes it takes mine out.
For partials?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's literally what just happened to me. So I put a stop in at what was it? 93.6. It's taken me out for half. So it's brought in my 5 at 92.4. Obviously I won't claim this to anything, but yeah. So my entry is still around here.
I'm in a short with with the Russell.
Oh, really nice. Let's have a look, man.
The Russell.
That's just fine. That's on the 1 minute. See if you can see the entry.
Are you in the short? Yeah, I can see. Did you get in on the flip? Is a 1 minute grabbed?
Yeah. 1792 on 6 down.
Yeah, I see that.
You
Go
see
on,
that
mate.
view? Well,
Go on,
I'm
mate.
in 2 contracts. Got 2 contracts. It's mad.
Yeah, that's
3
good.
contracts in the US.
I think is that $20 a tick. I think the Russell's $10 a.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Goldie. Do you look at session highs and lows as gold is not taking? Yeah. Well, this is daily lows. This was daily open. This short we took down into that daily low. And yeah, this is No, so where's Asia High? Asia High is up there. Now I don't really watch. I watch like daily highs and lows, but like Asia and London ranges, no, not really. Only unless it's like a liquidity level. So I guess I would normally have this marked on like this as like a liquidity level. But I wouldn't mark it on because it's the Asia High. Just because it's more so liquidity, but yeah, daily lows and highs, yeah, absolutely.
I want an M4.
Yeah, nice man.
One an R8.
Yeah, I'd love an R8. R8 be
Yeah.
beautiful.
Oh, would be the bee's knees.
Bees don't
With-
have these,
They do. We have to bend.
Actual cat.
You Google it. Come on. Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm too busy being selfish here, taking my own trades. YouTube fam, let's see if you guys want to take a trade on day 4 of the challenge. Let me send in the link. See if you guys on YouTube are ready to take a trade. Let me see.
There's 4 M4s for sale in Queensland, and 1 is used. The others are new.
Let's do a
I'm gonna
poll.
buy the entire road. Audi RS3, M3, M4. I reckon. Here we go.
Beasties.
That looks like a scam link. Yes.
Ready to take a trade.
We have 6.
There you go. Bees do have knees, everyone. Doesn't happen often, but I was wrong.
That's a win in the London.
That's W's in the chat.
Get that bread in.
Alright, let's see if YouTube's ready to take a trade on your guys' account. Greetings, Aaron. What's going on, Brian? What's going on, man?
Say, oh, hello. No talking. Just had a loss on gold. We're talking about cars.
Oh yeah, that's nice, man. 100,000. Fuck that. It's not worth 100,000. Oh my god.
100,000 for that.
Yeah. Australia's insane, man.
You really are.
100,000 for a
Well, yeah,
fucking Audi.
That would be one of the questions I would be asking, to be honest with you,
It is nice though, to be fair, but 6 figures. I don't know about that.
You can get an R8 for that, do you?
Yeah, easy. It is nice though. Yeah, 6 figures is
Isn't
pushing it.
aren't the R8s the one you give to your missus though?
What?
It says
If that
GTI.
means that
Yeah.
I get
On your
one.
way to the
Yeah.
on your way to the salon?
If that means I can get an R8 mark, I will get one.
Nah, I do actually like R8s.
GTRs are nice. I don't know how much GTRs are in Australia, but yeah, GTRs are very nice.
I think about you get one for like 100k
Oh,
now,
fuck.
or you can get like a 2004 Lamborghini for like 150.
Yeah, exactly. It's just crazy. What's this resistance into these lows? 26.
Everything's even gold is sort of ranging a bit
60
now.
grand.
Yeah, unemployment claims, man. Later on, I think it's gonna. It may. I still think all these lows are gonna get grabbed. You've also got these highs up here, but the 30 is still looking nicer. Push down. All it is retesting this level. It's still a nice short level. I'm holding that little small short position. But
Are you still in it?
yeah, I'm still man. I'm looking for actually re-entering full size, depending on how this closes.
And gold.
Blue line's just spawn resistant. Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah. So these are the levels here. Got the intra support here and resistance up there.
Yeah, 1894 is a nice level. Do you think for the top that before coming down?
1994. I think if you come that high, I think you'll probably come all the way back up into these highs.
I don't want that for you.
That's the thing. It's so difficult because you got liquidity down here and you got liquidity above here, and you're just sat right in the middle of it. The reason for me taking them shorts from where we did is because even here, like, none of these little lows got grabbed. As soon as these got grabbed, I'd be break even. So I still think all of these are going to get completely grabbed, but with unemployment claims later on, you could just do absolutely nothing for the rest of the session, I think. Let's see
I
what,
think it
let's
was
see what the
a
report said.
valid entry.
Oh yeah, no, it was a valid entry, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because if it had swept that liquidity, easy in and out.
Yeah, still the 30 hasn't grabbed any of these lows, so shorting into them 30 lows, yeah, is very likely as well.
Even you could, it might even push up into the highs at 1896.3. Also highs there, it hasn't grabbed.
Yeah, that's my kind of main targets up here. That's me on me target. I'm gonna cut it here. 792 full dose.
You
Yeah.
also have this as well, which is a very, very strong
You see.
confluence.
Might even, could even look at
18,
buys into
19.
those highs. If this 5 pushes down.
How'd that 5 just close? So yeah, 50's just closed bullish.
Because it's 30 ticks up into those highs.
Yeah, I personally won't take anything else in this range.
That's what I don't like the look of. I'm gonna mark it out and just see.
YouTube, 60% are ready to take a trade. All right, we're on.
Let's go.
15's just closed, so I'll wait for the next 5-minute close. And if you guys on YouTube, we'll put in the poll again, and you guys can call this next trade on this account. YouTube is ready to take a trade. 60% said yes, let's go. 40% said no, let's wait. Remember, you guys watching on YouTube, this is the challenge account where I'm letting YouTube trade for me. If you guys pass it, I'll give it away to someone watching. So as soon as we get the 5 close, I'll let you guys decide where you think the next 5 is gonna go, and then that's the trade we'll take. We'll go 10 for 10. So let me go here 10. No, it's quite. I don't think you'd be able to get a 10%. I think it might be too tight. There you go. Yeah, you're ripping all the highs now. No real bottom in the 15. So if you look at the hourly here now on gold, it's just chopping. Chopping. Bullish, bearish, bullish. I think you're gonna if you keep to push up, if you keep pushing up before unemployment claims, this entire move could get retraced. How long you got? You got 3 more minutes. I think you probably grab these highs now on gold. Yeah, is that the break of the... Yeah, that's nice, man. I like that. I like that. If you grab the lows, so what would that be?
That's almost 30 ticks into them highs.
Yeah.
But we could even
probably
see
right.
sells if it does take those highs out.
Yeah. So we got already 13, yeah.
5 contracts buy, 5 contracts sell,
See what happens.
50-50.
Yep, let's go. Nice, there you go. Terry said, yep, let's go. Alright, you got it. Well, as soon as this 5 closes, I'll let you guys call the next 5, and that'll be the play you guys can take for the day.
And let's see what that.
We'll go 10 ticks. 10 ticks profit, 10 ticks stop loss. There you go. So I got that trade there. So cut the trade there. 18 would have hit full. Minus to be sitting in 30 tick drawdown now. Good job to you guys who closed at like -3 as well. That's what we want to see.
I did.
Very, yeah, good job. Very nice. So I'm minus like minus 10 ticks on the day, so it's fine. I made that back in a second as soon as this play comes in.
I'm looking forward to revenge trade, you know.
Yeah, me too, man. Yeah, revenging big time today now.
That's ripping up into those highs. That's like, what?
it's 5 to flip.
$700 on 5 contracts.
Yeah, I would have fucking, if we had grabbed these lows, that's the trade I would have liked. It's like 50 ticks from them lows. It would have been so fucking clean.
I don't know why it's going up though. There's not even on the book map. It didn't even look like there was anything to grab up there.
Nah, honestly it's just raging.
But how is that going for you now? Still like.
Oh, I haven't set it up. I've kind of fucking give up, to be honest. I was trying to do it. It's just been it's an absolute nightmare to set it up. I was like, it's not even worth it. I don't want to watch it, but it's like I'm gonna have to get them to like set it up for me. So I do have to email them, but yeah, I just haven't got around to it.
Okay, you're like really good with technical stuff and computers and stuff like that.
Yeah,
You
it's.
can't get it.
I couldn't even find any YouTube videos like selling. Saying how to even set it up.
Really? I've
Like,
got
stuff
something
like
on the desktop. I got it to download. Like bookmark.
Yeah, I've got the app. It
Okay.
was a disaster. If you measure them, take remote desktop. If you sort it out, took like 3 attempts. Oh, there you go, John. Yeah, yeah. I have to get them to do that, man. Yeah, because I tried to do it and it was, yeah, it was an absolute. It was like I said, it was an absolute mission. When you say grab the lows, do you mean just a wick or it has to close? Yeah, just a wick. Yeah, it can be just a wick. Like for here, if it had just wicked out these lows, that would have been an amazing buying opportunity. Pretty much what you're doing here now. You're wicking out these highs. So if you guys on YouTube answering this poll, if you answer bearish, not this 5 minute, the next 5 minute, and that'll be your guys' trade for the day. 5 contracts, 10 tick stop loss, 10 tick profit. We'll see how you guys go. I'm giving some customer service is good. Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah, so that's why I kind of want to get them to just do it because it's just a fucking ball ache.
Would even see sells back down to that like 40 ticks into those lows, into the liquidity if it's grabbed those highs. Is that what you're doing on the next 5 for YouTube?
Yeah, so I'll let the YouTube fam decide where they think the next 5 is going to go. So 86% are saying next 5 is going to be bearish. And remember, guys, I don't mean this current 5, I mean the next 5, and that'll be your guys' trade for the day. So not this current 5, where you think the next 5 is going to open. So when this closes in 3 minutes, based on the poll, that'll be the trade for the day.
That's also going to be the last 5 in the 30s.
Does Top Step allow to trade gold micro? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you can trade gold micros on Top Step. Yep. They recently brought in micros. Bullish. Get it in the poll down on YouTube. Get it in the poll. 75% is still saying bearish. So when this closes in 2 minutes, 10 ticks. Let me make sure you guys can see me taking the orders on here. Let me see if I just put in a test order. Oh fuck no. Why can't I put in a... Why doesn't it let me put an order? My computer's lagging today. Oh, there you go. Alright, so let me just make sure it shows up on the screen. So if I put in a sell order, does it come up on the screen? Yeah, cool. There you go. Alright. So how long we got? We've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for you guys on YouTube. Finish the poll. 75% still saying bearish, 25% saying bullish. Oh, it's changing now. You guys are changing it. To the moon. So it should sell off. Yeah, I think so, Jake. Yeah, that's what I think, man. I think so. Oh, so you guys are now saying, you guys are 33% bullish, 67% bearish. You guys have got 1 minute. As soon as this poll ends in 1 minute, that'll be the trade. Yeah, make your minds up. This is the emotions of the markets. You guys can change your mind, but as soon as this closes in 1 minute, that'll be the trade for the day.
Like asking the missus where she wants to go to eat food.
The trick is, my housemate told me this recently, it's a TikTok video, it's like, where are we going for dinner? We're going to your favourite place, and then they go, oh, blah, blah, and you're like, yeah. If this 5 closes bearish, could see sell actually.
Yeah, I think so, man. 15's looking pretty nice here.
Might be interested.
Even though you like look at that. That's even off that resistance, you know. You've made back 10 ticks in literally like 5 minutes to short the resistance. 74%, so 26% now saying bullish, 74% saying bearish. If this starts to reject in the next like 50 seconds, you guys are going to switch it, I know it. But I'm going to cut it off in like 10 seconds here. So I think you guys are sticking with bearish. As soon as this 5 minute opens, we'll be taking the sell. And that'll be the trade for the day. 1 for 1. Yeah, the bears. See, people saying bears, people saying to the moon.
Might even join you on that.
Yeah, go on, man. So it's a 10 tick stop loss and a 10 tick TP, just a 1 for 1. I'm not making you guys squeeze out more than a 1 to 1. I think 1 to 1 is fair. Alright. 75% saying bearish. Alright, we'll end the poll there. As soon as this next 5 minute opens, we will take the sell and we'll see how it goes. Stop loss 10 ticks, TP 10 ticks as well. If you guys can get an instant top wick, I may try and get you a better entry as well. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there you guys go. There's your trade for the day. You guys are in this short trade. This isn't my live trade, this is for you guys on YouTube. Trading this account. No. So stop loss is so 75% said bearish. 25% said bullish. Oh, the guys who said bullish are like, see, told you guys. 1 for 1, there's a stop loss. This is instant drawdown here.
I've got a sell stop in below this 5 below.
Yeah, I think it's nice.
For a halfie.
Guys, this isn't my live trade, this is just for fun, for you guys calling the trades on YouTube. We'll see how this goes. It's not looking too great so far. 75% of you said bearish. Oh. Oh no. Is it going to come up? 15's looking pretty strong. I think you'll grab the highs again. Oh. You guys, if this hits stop loss, you guys on YouTube need to be watching the videos more. Where's stop loss? Stop loss is, yeah, slightly just above that previous 5 high at like 89.5, straight into drawdown. Oh, you gonna survive it? I don't think so.
Not looking good.
Not looking good, YouTube fam. We got a loss on Monday, a winner on Tuesday, and you guys may take an L today. It hasn't flipped bearish. I win. Daniel wins. Yeah, Daniel, you won, man. You should have persuaded everyone. You're gonna survive this top wick. You may survive this top wick. All the bears, like, see, told you. Told you this is why we go short. Yeah, me too, Dan. Yeah, I think the same, man. That's what I'd be looking for, to be honest. How long you got? You got 2 minutes till this 5's going to close. 2 minutes. 15's bullish. 15's very bullish. Hourly is, man, can't we say it's pretty choppy? Ooh. See, look at this. The bears are like, yeah, told you, motherfuckers. See if you're going to survive this. This right here is the emotions of the market. Right, I'll put in the poll again, and you guys can decide if you want to hold or close this trade. Hold or close. Start the poll. Start the poll. I win. Hold it. Send it. 100% saying hold. Let's see. Watch you guys get a fucking beautiful flip here. So 100% of the votes are saying hold.
After this W, I'm joining the YouTube stream.
Yeah, 11%, 11 people are saying hold. Right, 1 more minute here. You guys are saying hold the trade. Yeah, I gotta start taking these trades with you guys as well if this hits TP. Because you kind of faked out there, retested. Alright, we'll end the poll
Mark's
there.
got a stop in, right?
I pulled it.
Oh, look at that. Alright, 100% of people said hold this trade. You guys are up $50. And we'll...
I don't like holding it in the last 5 or 30 for me personally. Let's see.
Let's see. 10 seconds. Look at this. Is the emotions of the markets right here. Good job on pulling it. Closed that. Well, you guys said hold. You guys said hold, not me. You guys said hold. We could have closed it. We could have closed it. Alright. Alright, let's start the poll again. Do we close, hold, or break even?
I think this is the chance for break even right now.
Yeah.
Since we have already grabbed the low, we might grab the highs again.
Yeah, 5 minute just... So 15 just closed bullish there as well. You guys on YouTube, you guys are going to be working together. Like I said, if you guys pass this account, I'll be giving it away with one of you guys. So you guys get the right votes in. Oh, it's not looking good. Hold. Terry saying hold. Someone saying close it. Oh, no. YouTube fam. You're going to hit stops here, I think. Oh. Oh, no.
Come on, don't make fun of them.
Ah. YouTube fam, stops hit. Minus $500. YouTube fam. What happened? Everyone said hold. Did it just get tagged out? Terry's gonna lose his account. Start a battle. Oh no, it's not. No, 100% of people said hold. So 100% people said hold. So stops got hit there. It came what? Yeah. Well, 100% of people, no one, 0% said hold. So stop loss got hit there, I'm afraid, guys. Stop loss got hit. So on this challenge for you guys on YouTube, this is sitting around. I think it's only minus like $500. So just under $500, which isn't bad. Yeah, the total loss on this account is what, like 2,000 or something. So you still have plenty more trades to take. So that's only day 3. You guys have to redeem yourselves now. I'll put up another poll if you guys want to look for a re-entry. But that's day 3 of the challenge and stops got hit. Oh yeah, now you guys are saying hold and close. For an entry, I think so, man. It's not looking good. I know, man. I know. Well, you guys are working together. Alright, let me put up a poll. See if you guys you get 2 trades a day. So see if you guys want to take one based off the next 5 minutes. Alright. Poll again. See if you guys want to go on the next 5. I swear I said close. No, 100% was 100% of people said hold because you saw that rejection. 100% of people said hold.
It's ranging, eh?
Hey?
Ranging.
Yeah, it's just Ranger Man. Yeah, it's choppy. Choppy.
Like,
Where you bears hiding. So, 70% of people are saying let's wait. You guys don't want a re-entry? Look at that, I just got hit. Yeah, literally just got hit like there. You guys on YouTube, you get. I'm giving the challenge two trades a day. That's it, max. 2 trades a day, max. So if you guys want to take another trade, say yes. Or if you want to wait for more price action, then say let's wait. Yeah, sometimes it does in the futures, man. I've noticed that as well. I've noticed that, man. Alright, what's the poll saying? How do we got? 5 minutes just closed. 67% of people said let's wait. Yeah, now the bears are coming in, yeah. No bottom wick in that current 5. What am I looking for here? Nothing really. 30's choppy. Hourly still could be nice, but 30's too choppy here for me. I'm personally not looking for any re-entries. Shorten that as well, still holding. It's made over 400. Yeah, good man, good man. I didn't take that. That was just me. That's just for the YouTube fam taking the trade. So 71% of people said let's wait. 28% said let's trade. So I'll do it. I'll let the next 5 close, and I'll put the poll again. See if you guys want to take a re-entry. You don't have to. You can say let's wait, but we'll see. And I'll probably make a video on Sunday. I think this challenge is probably gonna go over to next week, but I'll make a video on Sunday recapping how the week went. Remember, for the guys on Zoom, all of this is going to get grabbed today. It's very probable it's going to get grabbed. I'm still in, good man. It's not a personal trade. I didn't take the trade personally. It's just for this challenge account for fun. But it's not a bad little play. You may get shorts into the 15 lows. Let me get rid of the executions here. It's a bit annoying. I can put an execution, but not the. Nah, that's annoying. Let's get rid of it. Sell. Terry saying sell. Terry wants to take the sell. We have just liquidated them highs pretty nicely. So what was that? After just literally liquidating them highs, you got like 10 ticks very, very quick. Enter for a sell. I can't, Terry. It has to be majority. Get everyone to vote in the sell as well, and we'll take it, man. I get out with $20. You just smoking toothpaste. 24 pips, running it on pound buy. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Let's have a look. Did it break out of the range? Oh yeah, she did. Yeah, break out little bottom wick. Yeah, nice. First breakout though. No, Terry. Yes, Daniel. Option of the flip. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Like, it's hard to do, man. I was like, how do I make it fair? It's so difficult now. Terry and Daniel are having a little battle here. Daniel's saying long, Terry's saying short. Alright, now we got 1 more minute. Let's do it again. For me personally, I'm not looking to take a trade yet. I am going to look for this entire retracement on gold today, though. Alright. Yeah, pound's having a nice little bounce there. Little breakout, top wick, 10 ticks. Alright, you guys get the poll in. We got 30 seconds, this fight's gonna close. Play the range till it breaks. Yeah, pretty much, Ross. Yeah, I think so as well, man. Play the range till it breaks. Yeah, absolutely. Probably looking at the highs of the range is gonna be here. So I think you may squeeze up a little bit more. Nothing has changed yet. Yeah, I think it's best to wait for a breakout. So if you guys don't get an answer on the poll, yeah, 83% of people still saying wait. Yeah, I think you wait for a breakout. Yeah, gold is just ranging though. Like overall, there's absolutely no direction on gold right now. It's looking nice, no bottom wick on the 30, short into that 30 low. But as soon as it pushes back up, nah. Ranging. So if you zoom out on what gold's doing right now, this is the price action recently, and this is London today. Nothing. There's absolutely no direction. Breakout, then wait for a retest. Yeah, possibly, man. Possibly. So what's that? 88% this thing. Wait. Terry, let's wait. We can share the account after we win. And if it expects that, then bullish should retest it. Yeah, I think so. For me personally, like what I'm actually looking at, yeah, I'm personally waiting. You're back at this resistance without having any liquidity grabs, so I think you're going to spike up a little bit higher. Personally, before shorting that resistance, you want to see some grabs of maybe this high up here. You know, you did grab this high, tried to drive, but as soon as you start bouncing off that support, if you're getting the sells, you want to be cutting it there. And then that's going to be kind of the next level. This high here. So let me just mark on this new high. Like this. So it's actually a double top there. So you got a double top there now. I just noticed that. So you got your possibility of gold spiking up and grabbing these highs up here. Blue skies and breeze head up north now. Oh man, it's pouring down here. It's absolutely lashing it down. Lashing it down.
Been 2 months of this.
Sorry, man.
It's been 2 months of this.
Yeah, it's horrible.
For me.
It's horrible.
But Jesus Christ.
My balcony was flooded. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, it's absolutely, it's non-stop here. Non-stop. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get the trade here. The short down in London, but I'd be watching for this whole move later. We need to look left more before the trade. Yeah, absolutely, Taylor. That's all you can do, man. All you can do is look left. You can't look right. Whereas you try to predict it. All you're doing when you're doing a trade is just looking here. That's why I have my 15, 30, and 5 here. The 5's fine for execution. But 5 is a poor time frame to trade off actual direction. It's purely for execution based off what the 30 and 15 are doing. So the shorts on gold today is going to be to grab all of these lows, every single one here. Only living in Australia? Yeah, I've lived in Australia for just over a year now, man. Yeah, been here for a year. Been here for a year. $5 just messing around here. 5 minutes ranging. Yeah, that's why it's good. Like every now and again, whenever on my charts, you know, I'll just zoom out. Like, this is what we're doing today. This is what we've done this week. This is what we're doing today. Nothing. But you have unemployment claims later on as well, which I think is probably going to give another sell-off on gold. Remember, the daily is very bearish. You know, I took like minus maybe 15, 20 ticks there. But from these regions, if you can see gold flip bearish, there's still the possibility to be up like over 50 today. Not that I'll trade it up into 50, but there's still there's a bigger picture than this coming today on gold. This is just a potential pre-news move. I'm actually going to move this high up here. This high is actually going to be more of an interesting high. But look at that five's flipping all over the shop. But for you guys on Zoom, I'll post more updates once we get more price action, close news. Is that news? Is it pre-New York? Let me see. Or is it at the New York Open? Where is it? 1:30 London time. What time is that? I can't remember. Let me change it to Brisbane. Where's Brisbane? So yeah, an hour before the New York Open, you're gonna have unemployment claims and GDP. I would assume you're probably gonna see gold push down into these lows pretty comfortably. And all of these are also going to be previous daily lows. There's no way gold's going to respect previous daily lows. Do you trade news events? Yeah, sometimes, man. Depends how volatile it is. For the most part, you know, the news... Oh, sorry, let me just see here. 15's just reflip back bearish. You short the break of this low. How'd that...
What I'm looking at.
Fucking 5's so small because it's so rangy. Yeah, not bad level to take shorts. But yeah, it depends how volatile it is, man. For the most part, you know, as long as it's not like CPI or NFP, yeah, trading news is okay, man. As long as the setup's there, I don't really mind. News typically gives you the volume that you need, you know. I don't like to be in a trade before the news because the volatility and volume can sometimes be a bit too aggressive. You know, like 5 minutes out the news, 5-10 minutes, yeah, you can still catch a nice trade, man. Yeah, I agree, Drew. I think so as well, man. I think the whole push will be going down. You may even see it from here. It's not a bad little place to look for some breaks on this low. There's 15 on gold. I just don't like the range. Yeah, it can be very... Yeah. It's kind of... It's like... I kind of take each news event on its own. Kind of, it's all on a case-by-case basis, depending on how it's moving. But for the most part, you know, before the news comes in, the technicals like we have right now are pretty much always in place. Like we've got our liquidity regions, and the news just gives you the volume to spike out these lows or these highs. Which yeah, it's kind of what you need. 8 pips, I move, stop loss at break even. Good job, man. Good job. Very well played. Yeah, it's a nice short level, man. It's a very nice short level. Thing is, you probably wouldn't be managing off the 15 just with the way the 5's flipping. Look how ugly this 5 is, but look at the 15. 15's not as ugly as the 5. So if you do get shorts here, you have to manage it off the 15. Yeah, well, I think sometimes with news as well, you can get a lot of movement pre-news as well. So even like 9:30 Brisbane time today, you could start to see some big moves before that news. And depending on how we're moving, like if price keeps pushing up before the news, then that's when you could see this whole move retraced. Or if price creeps down pre-news, then you may see a push up. So the higher you push on gold, without grabbing these lows before the news, the more likely you're going to see this entire move get grabbed. All right, let's do the poll again for you guys on YouTube. See if you guys are ready to take a trade, or you don't have to take a trade today. Maybe we've taken one. You don't have to take another one. Take a trade. See. If you guys want to stay patient, then just say no. See you in York. See you, man. Take it easy, man. See 5 minutes just flipping back bearish there, but if you do take a trade here, it'll be based off the 15. 15's not really grabbed any lows here. Hourly still has the possibility of flipping back bearish. So the hourly resistance. Excuse me. 67% are saying let's wait. That's alright, you guys can wait. You guys can wait. Oh, I didn't realise we were having a party at Mark's. What's going on there? Didn't realise we were having friends round.
Yeah. I just got a fluffy cat. Nice you brought the fluffy cat over.
It's hot, man. You could even short. Maybe if you short gold now, stops are going to be up there. I think you may grab this little high.
Fluffy cat. Made his shoulders look big, huh? Oh, the cat up again,
It's bearish now, guys. Get in. Well, 67% of people said wait, so we have to wait. 15 has flipped bearish. Hourly, you know, still could flip bearish. It's pretty choppy though. 5 minute is bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So I mean, yeah, I guess you could short this, say it's bearish.
I really want to hold it down to 1890.
Yeah, so do I. Yeah. I think that whole move is going to happen today.
Yeah, and I do want to be part of it.
Me too.
It's really annoying.
That's one of the worst things when, like, you know, it's so choppy before like the push, and you know that the push is coming, but holding it is so fucking difficult.
Yeah. I know it's going to go down there, but it's just I don't want to like stay in this rubbish.
No, I mean, unless you treat it as more of like not a swing trade, but like not a scalp. Yeah, like you take it, put in a stop, and just let it do its fucking thing. Kind of the best way recently. I'm in shorts now. Good job, Harry.
I might have to see if this closes below.
I think it could be an easy play. I'm pretty confident, like we always are, that this entire move of over 50 ticks or over 40 ticks, sorry, will get swiped. It'll be a very, very big trade. Very, very big trade. The only thing is on top step, like if you take trades like that, you do have to be wary of daily max loss limits.
Yeah, that's the trouble. That's
You don't want to sit in too much drawdown.
Yeah. What position, what contract size can I put in?
5, I reckon. 5 would be more than enough. And you know, if it comes back to these highs, you know, you may be able to take another 5 if it's just like more of a swing. Your average entry will probably be somewhere up here, which you can get out pretty comfortably most of the time. I closed. Good man. What did you get? What did you get? What did you get? That 5 ticks. Yeah, not bad, man. Not bad. You can get some. So if you get some shorts here, you could get some cucumbers up here. Then you can. Park's fun.
Aubergines.
I closed. Yeah, trail. Oh, trail. I think
No,
yeah.
it wasn't. And oh, sorry.
No, that's right, man. There you go.
Oh, I was just saying on the Russell, like,
Oh yeah, somebody got
it's a
Russell.
lovely,
Oh, boy,
yeah.
Russell.
It's just, it's going down nice. Like, it was in that range. I wanted to go off 8:45 a.m. on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's just in the range.
Yeah, choppy. I think you're gonna get. I do think you're gonna get some big moves today. I mean, gold owes me today. Gold owes me big time.
Yeah.
Dave, I'm sitting pretty comfortably this week. It's about time gold humbled me a little bit.
I haven't really traded this week.
I've only taken like 3 or 4 maybe. Nice 5-minute close there. So 15, 15 did end up. So you could short the, like I say, short the 5-minute. Fuck the 5 minute. 5 minutes messy. Short the break of the lows. What is it? I'm saying it's 3 ticks, but it could drive. If this hourly closes back below here in 5 minutes, the overall trade of this here, is possible.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the hourly close, see if there's a top wick, and then I'll let the.
Yeah.
But saying that, there's Ripple. Russell. Jeez Louise. Oh. It's already done the move, really.
Yeah. They're gonna break that 15. Oh, look at that.
Look at you.
Waiting for a long. I'll be careful. I think. I mean, so you've wicked out these highs. You created a double top there, but you may come back down into them lows. So our original short was from what here. Yeah, 10 to streak conscious. Yeah, good job, Harry. Yeah. I had my this little play. Yeah, 15 is nice. Yeah. Top loss tension. Yeah, good man. Yeah. Yeah. That'll be you buying it back, man. Yeah. 245 on that one. Exit stage left. Need to run. Yeah, good job, Drew. No worries, man. Take it easy. See you tomorrow, man.
Good trade in. Well done.
Did anyone hold any of that? I know, Harry, you got an extra short. I just closed a little bit. I was holding that little play from there. It's a bit of a aggressive hold for me, but I was holding a little small position, which I'm about to close off. Right, yeah, cool, whatever, fine. What was that? 8 ticks, not bad, I don't care. Looking for 30 ticks down. Yeah, me too, man. I just closed that little short I had from there. I did hold through this shit painfully. I still think you're gonna come back. I really want to. I want this main short down. I still think you're gonna spike up into here, and that's gonna be the main, like, you know, it could be like a 60 tick play, which if I can fucking not be a bitch and hold that, it's going to be a big trade. I would love to see it spike up these
That'd
guys though.
be a tough one for you, mate.
Yeah, I got fucking diamond hands over here.
Still a good joke, eh?
So that little short, did it eat up my Asia profits? But I'm like, you know, minus what, $200 on the day. Got an entry at 93.6. Yeah, I think you got a lovely entry. Yeah, yeah, you got a great entry, man. Oh, 93.6. Yeah,
Yes, I
lovely entry, man. You already got,
yes, man.
yeah, 10 ticks. Yeah,
Oh.
good job, man. But yeah, slow grind today. In what time is it? Yeah, slow grind today in London. Unemployment claims later on, though, guys. Be watching of all these liquidity levels. I think they're all going to get fucking hit. Pretty nice 15 close there, actually. The way this 5 minute keeps closing with no wicks is crazy.
I'm going short off this one, off the break.
Yeah, good man.
Pops up more. We shall see.
I think it's nice, man. Instant top wick on this 30 again.
Yeah.
Just be wary of the drawdown rules, and I think you can hold it pretty well.
Yeah, that doesn't talk me in.
Oh, you got a sell stop?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
probably safer.
I'm very rusty on the old retest now.
Sometimes I like the risky play.
Where's that? 18. Is it 1893.5? I think it's on your bottom right. Screen pops up to there and starts rejecting.
Yeah. I'm doing challenging, focus on 10 pips per day and leave. Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, that's the key. That's all you need, man. 10 pips a day. You don't even need it every day as well. You take that 2 to 3 times a week, man, you're chilling. That's all I do as well, man. That's all I do.
All you do, you.
That's all I do, me. Yeah, you might get some cucumbers as well. Get some shorts now. Some cucumbers up here. TP down here.
I've been looking for the guavas myself, to be honest.
I'm not set to hit max profit. Yeah, yeah, I like that. That's a good setup as well.
For the sell. Oh, I might get tagged in, yeah.
Oh.
We got the tangerine on the left there.
Oh, wait, I'm closing the window. Fucking hell. My nipples are rock hard, yeah. Jeez. Who's that?
Alright, I'm off. Have a good night, Aaron. Enjoy, Riley. Appreciate you tuning in, man. See you next time.
Oh, tagged in. And now let it rip to the highs, that's it.
Yeah, guys, load up some longs.
You know you want to.
Alright, full margin on the longs.
Does you want me to share my screen so we can all laugh?
No, I think it makes sense. You know, look at this wick. Re-grab the highs. You know, you do have a double top there, but you also have a dot bottom down here.
Yeah.
From there to there, it's worth the risk, yeah, I think so. I would just be careful managing on the 5 personally.
Yeah. We shall see. I don't like how it's like being so slow and paused, and it's just like, ugh.
It's painful, isn't it?
Make me close the position and draw down, then just make me close. If you're gonna drop down and give me profit, then just drop down and give me profit. Just like, you know?
Trading tips 101.
Yeah, just I made $50 profit here.
Oh,
What? Oh.
right. I want to go to the toilet, guys. I'll stay on for another 10, 15. Give me 2 seconds. I can just hear Alan's commentary coming from the bathroom. Oh, it's gonna get down. It's gonna do it.
Yeah, I was about to break even.
Nearly 12 ticks. Yeah, good job, Harry, man. I'd fucking take some partials. Be done, man. It's beautiful. 5. Yeah, I mean, it just grabbed. Look, wicked up previous 5, flip back bearish. The thing is, as soon as you clear, like here, yeah, you're gonna see a pretty nice push.
Yeah. I'll send you. This is my entry.
Yeah, I like it, man. I like it. Makes sense to me. As soon as 15 close, nice. As soon as the 15 support's going to be here, but if you can break that, yeah, you could see a clean drive down to here. 30 is also still looking nice, respecting that level. Sorry, hourly.
If
Ooh, there you go.
it does break this, then I would like to see if I can hold there.
How much did you get in?
5 contracts.
Yeah. 3 ticks, yeah.
Because
More of a...
just how it's moving, right?
Yeah, makes sense, man. Makes sense. It's good. That's the way you want to do it. You know, you don't have to go in like 10 contracts every time. See how you feel. If it's moving well, amazing. 10 contracts. If you're not sure, 5. See how it goes.
Yeah.
Pushing nicely now, actually.
Oh, there's support there. At 1892.2.
Yeah.
It's bouncing off.
Yeah.
So it needs a breakthrough there.
Yeah. And did you get rid of your FTMO?
Where you are? Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't traded my FTMO in a very long time, and I don't have that account anymore. I took some pretty ballsy trades in it, and ended up losing it when I didn't want to trade FX anymore. Well, way before that actually. I haven't traded an FTMO account in like, I don't know, probably over a year, 2 years maybe. No, not 2 years, like a year and a half. Since we kind of adapted intraday trading, I don't trade it anymore. Took 12 ticks and has had the month to work. Yeah, good job, Harry, man. Good job. Very nice trade, man.
So Yuri.
I'm also in this trade.
Anyone else in this?
Yeah, I am, man. Yeah.
Ah.
I took it with you. I only took a half risk as well, though.
Yeah, it's just because I was moving, right?
Yeah.
I'd love to hold down to 1890. We shall see.
Yeah, me too. That's the thing. I like it. I like. Do I just take a little bit and like be break even on the day, or do I?
Been a bit quiet, but I may or may not be in either.
Oh, you're in as well, are you? What's this? Signals are all in.
Signals
I'm
are
in
valid.
at 1893.4.
You got in a 80. Yeah, beautiful, man, beautiful.
So yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, he took. I think he took some. I almost said it. Some aubergines there. I think Mark's trying to get out of his original short.
We need a softie here, don't we?
Mark's got in here, added in here. Now he's done for the dump of the day. Has his 5. Yeah, so this is the makeup break level, I guess. Looking forward to seeing the gold drop it down. Yeah, I hope so, Harry. I hope so, man. I hope so. Enjoy, man. I'm still in from 94.3. Oh, David with the best entry, I think. 94.3. Yeah, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah, great hold, man. Very, very good hold. If this thing can drop, you're laughing. No, I'm out, motherfucker. Personally.
You break even, yeah?
Yeah, I'm out, man. I'm out.
I'm failing aggressive because I got to shoot off soon.
15 still could break, but it's just too strong of a level. You may still break. You know, if you re-break this low now, you're going to see a drive. So I would consider, sells on the break of this low is still, 15, 16, 26. I still, before the news, I would love to see this. I would absolutely love that.
Oh, don't be a child. Back off, man.
Just drop already.
It's like, But previously, I would have taken cash off there, but now I'm holding. So
yeah, that's a good hold, man. Keep doing that, and when you're not in shit ranges like this, yeah, it'll be way nicer. So I did today.
I'm out.
Yeah,
Okay,
come on.
Okay.
So I had shorts from here today, and I held through all of this shit, all of this little bounce, all of this noise, stopped some above here, and then eventually it did take the drop. Close to early on that one actually.
I'm out there, just closed. I'm going to shoot off, lads. Have a good one.
Good man. How many ticks did you get? Go on.
Yeah.
I closed at 12 ticks.
12 ticks, very nice, man. Good job.
Nice.
Good shit, man.
Hold on. 5, 4, 6. I can't do that. Shot. 4. 8 ticks, sorry.
8 ticks, nice, good man. That's good. Take it.
Alright. Have a good one, lads.
Enjoy, man. See you later.
Bye. I'm still revenge trading. I see what you mean. It will prosper. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 break evens this week.
Yeah, it's in between 7. I don't think any of my good trades this week have gone between 7 to 9 a.m. London time. Not one of them. My biggest one was an overnight trade, which was pretty scary, but yeah.
Scared.
A little bit scary, but yeah, none of them have really come between.
It's just. I genuinely didn't think that 1892.2 was that strong of a level.
Yeah, I would have hedged. Took some longs of it. Look at that, like longs off that little bounce is what I think 6 ticks. London pick up again. Hopefully in Q4, man. This is the last week of Q3, and this is like basically the last week of summer months. So last week of shit pretty much. So yeah, hopefully as we get into these winter months, London should pick up.
Yeah, for sure. And I can start saving bloody trades
Yeah.
on you.
Because there has still been good moves, but they just haven't been coming in the normal times. Like, becoming a weird time, so you kind of just still have to set some alerts and be wary to, jump into a position.
Yeah, you can set alerts on TraderVate, can't you?
I'm not sure. Can you?
Or is it just NinjaTrader?
I always still do mine on TradingView just because I can get it on my phone.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah, this is anywhere in this region is going to be the ideal short level later, and if you can get it from there, yeah, I mean, anywhere in here down into the daily lows to continue pushing bearish is going to be a pretty big play. Yeah, Zoom guys, I'm gonna leave it for a little bit. I'll post in the levels here in Discord, and once price develops a little bit more, price from 1896. Yeah, I actually think that could be nice. Anywhere not up here, yeah, is actually gonna be very nice. Yeah, I think so, man. But yeah, once price action develops a little more, I'm gonna set an alert here. Once it goes off, I'll be looking for some more setups once we get back into these regions. So Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go, and I'll talk to you guys in Discord in a few hours once we get some more price action. Enjoy, guys. Talk to you soon.
Yeah. Bye.
See you guys. Bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. Price is just ranging slow. You guys had your third trade of the challenge. Unfortunately, it hit stop loss. But this challenge, you guys are only in -1 R loss, so you're like minus 1%, which is fine. You still got plenty of room to get out of this. And like I say, if you guys do pass this challenge, I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys, or at least giving you away, like 1 month or 2 months access into Top Step. So the challenge is going to continue tomorrow, and I think it's actually going to continue to next week by the looks of it. 3 trades this week, 1 loser, 1 winner, and 1 loser as well. So -1% is pretty good. You guys have my levels here on gold for later on in the US session. I'm sitting around break even on the day, which is fine. I'm going to wait for more price action and look to come on the charts later on. You got unemployment claims later, which is going to be pretty big. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Same time again tomorrow. I'll see you guys there. Trade safe, be smart. See you next time. Peace.